Welcome and good afternoon. When you're in the United States on a visa or applying for adjustment of status to obtain a green card, what are the rules for traveling outside of the United States? Well, it depends on your situation. Today, we're going to talk about some possible scenarios. Let's say you secured your green card. That means you are a lawful permanent resident and you have the right to travel in and out of the United States. However, be wary of spending too much time outside of the United States. If you cannot prove that the U.S. is your primary place of residence, you are at risk of losing your green card. If you're away for 6 months, you will be questioned at the border when you return. If you are away for a year or more, you will need to convince that CBP officer at the border to allow you to keep your green card. In order to keep your green card, always be sure to travel with proof that the U.S. is your residence. Evidence can include an employment contract, employment verification letter, pay stubs, a long-term lease agreement, a copy of your home ownership papers, and proof that you've paid Uncle Sam. Always file your tax returns. Maybe you're in the United States temporarily on a student or work visa. In that case, you can travel outside the U.S., but your time to stay outside the U.S. while retaining your temporary visa may also be limited. For example, on a student visa, you may only spend 5 consecutive months outside of the U.S. And remember, you must always re-enter with your visa and a passport valid for 6 months from the date of your re-entry. To conclude, yes, you can travel outside the U.S. as a visitor or as a permanent resident. However, be sure to check what documents you need to re-enter. And if you have questions about how long you can spend outside the U.S. without jeopardizing your visa or green card, ask a savvy lawyer. If you are new here, make sure you click that subscribe button and check out the links below. Thank you for the privilege of your time. We'll see you next time.